Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. On this week's video, we are actually focusing on our patio area. It's summertime, guys, and the 4th of July is right around the corner. So why not get our patio set and ready for the 4th? So come on, let's go outside and I'll share with you what we're working with. See you in a minute. Bye. Alright guys, so I am outside about to get ready for this patio makeover. I'm headed in here. This is where we have a lot of our stuff stored. So in here we have like our cushions, covers, and then we do have like our rug that we just bought that's gonna go on the space. Then we have some more cushions here, but let me just explain what we're gonna do. So recently I planted all these plants, and then if you saw my Insta story recently, my tomato plant has grown so big that I had to get this little thing, and I don't know if I like the green look of it, so I might go in today and spray this black to match like this like lounge area. And then here, these are our old patio chairs and patio set. I do a lot of DIYs on here, so you have paint on here, but I'm gonna actually go in, sand this down, all these, and spray this a dark walnut color as well, and the trimming here, just to give it a refreshed, updated look and make the table and the lounge chair cohesive to just come and bring the space together. And then I'm gonna hang some little string lights across, but I am so excited for string lights because it's just so beautiful at night, and I'll be able to sit out here with my husband, and if we want to just relax, or if we have family over, we can eat outside and sit here. But yes guys, there's my tent. I'm gonna put up the tent over here. You know the drill, guys. I'm about to put that up and get to spraying. Alright guys, so I set up the tent. It was a struggle. My husband is not here to help me, so I had to figure out how to do it myself, and guys, that was a whole process. I'm sweating already just putting it up, but there's the tent. I am now about to sand this down. So I think I'm actually going to scrape the paint off the top and wipe this down completely before taking it off from the legs. So I'm just about to start that now. Alright guys, so I'm just taking this putty knife and just gonna scrape the top of the glass, and that's gonna get rid of like the glue, some paint, all that excess stuff on here, so that I can then wipe it down, and then I'll take it apart and get it ready for spraying. You just want to scrape pretty gently. You don't want to accidentally mess up the table by scraping it too hard. So now I'm gonna put this over to its side and unscrew everything. Alright guys, so I just got my bowl of soap water and one of my old towels. I'm gonna go and wipe everything off here. Alright guys, so now I'm about to take this sandpaper and just give it a light sanding just to rough it up before spray painting. Alright, I'm going to now do this part. Ugh. So I have already went in and sprayed one coat on the back side of the chairs, and I have also went in and taped all this up. I need to tape that part down. If you could see, the wind's got it pushed up, so I'm gonna go in and tape that. But I'm just gonna show y'all how I spray the mesh part of the chairs and the metal part, and then I'll come back and show you how I do the table. Alright guys, so this is the final look of them once I sprayed them completely. I am loving this finish. I went with the dark walnuts on the sides and the mesh is black. You can't really tell that they're different colors. They just all tie in together and look so good. I got all the legs to the table done. The last thing is to do this one chair here, the edges around the table, and that piece there, and I will be done with this. Alright guys, so these three things I bought on Amazon. So the first thing was this 49-foot light. So these are all outdoor, for outdoor use only. They include 16 bulbs. Then I also bought these things. So we have siding here where we're renting in our townhome. And these things actually go underneath the vinyl siding, so I don't have to screw holes into it. So I'm gonna see how these things work. Hopefully it holds the weight of the lights. And then I have these right here. They're also for the siding. I got these to screw my plants. So I have plants over there. I want to put them on the wall. So yeah, I'm gonna see how these things work. So I'm gonna sweep, then try to hang the lights. So this is everything I got on Amazon, and I will leave a link to these items below. So I got this one from Target, guys. It's the Project 62 line. I found this actually last year, but this year they brought it back and it was on sale, so I had to grab it. Okay guys, so the rain has messed with us. Oh, and the thing's about to go. I might have to be in the rain and take that down. All right guys, so it's day 2 of our patio makeover. It's now sunny again. The rain has stopped. Hopefully it stays sunny for the remainder of the day so I can finish up. But I have all the patio furniture here. It's all dry now, but the next thing I'm going to do is I am actually going to create pillows. I'm gonna take this fabric and just cover our old existing pillows. So these are our old pillows. They kind of still match with the teal color, but the other pillows I got recently that go on our lounge chairs actually have a tropical pattern. So I want to just update those pillows with this pattern, and then I'm gonna go ahead and hang our lights and our flowers, and we will be done with the patio makeover. All right, so let's go ahead and get this table back assembled. So we have put the table together. I'm gonna flip it over here in a minute, but we have these string lights we got off Amazon, and I think I wanna go ahead and string these before I set all of this up. I strung out the lights to see if it'll work, and it looks like it does. So now I'm gonna take these siding clips, and I'm gonna go ahead and put it in the side and see what it looks like. Yesterday I tried to use these siding hooks that I got off Amazon, but they didn't hold enough weight, so the lights kept falling. So today I'm actually just got like C-hooks, and I'm just going to drill a little hole, twist the C-hook in, and just string those lights that way. So here are the string lights. I have two sets. One is 49 feet and I think the other one is like maybe 10 feet. So I have a total of 60 feet, I would say, to play with. So I could string it about 4 times, like 3.5 times. So I went ahead and put a C hook over there, one here, and then another one back over there. And then I'm gonna see where I can, if I have enough to come across. But that's what I'm gonna do now, is just go ahead and string these lights. Alright guys, so we now have our string lights put up. I'm now gonna put the chairs back over here and get our cushions put on here to get the final look. These cushions we made, I did a little simple envelope pillow, so I had old cushions here for outdoors, but they didn't go quite with the scheme we're going with, so I covered it. I found this palm tree fabric at Walmart, so I just decided to make a pillow cover just to cover that, and it ties in with our teal, and I have some blues and different accents like that that I'm going to pull out and get everything set up so y'all can see the final look of the space. Alright guys, so that is all for this week's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I know I am loving this outdoor space, and it is perfect for when my parents come in for the 4th. The lights are just so beautiful in the evening, and everything just turned out so nice. But if you like what you saw, make sure to hit the subscription button below and that notification bell. We post new content every single week. I'll talk to you later. Bye.